all of you. Welcome to KGP online classes and welcome to English readers class. In our today's class, we are going to learn something really interesting. Just imagine that you have to go for shopping with your parents and there are many things that you have to buy. You have to buy clothes, you have to buy shoes, you have to buy bag, and there are so many things that you have in your mind that you have to buy. So what will you do? You will write everything that you have to buy on a paper, right? So that you can remember it when you're going for the shopping. So that list that you make of all the things that you have to buy will be called a shopping list. And in this class also, we are going to study a chapter, the shopping list, chapter number 3 of your textbooks, right? So there is also one thing that this chapter reminded me of. When I was a child, I used to watch a show named Shakalaka Boom Boom. I don't know whether you guys have watched that show or not, but it had one magical pencil, and the magical pencil was whenever you drew something from that magical pencil, whatever you draw, it will come to life. And it was really my dream to have that pencil so that whenever I am in problem or whenever I want to eat something, I can draw it and it will come to life. So even if you have not watched that show, it is okay. Just keep in your mind that we are going to learn about a shopping list and about a pencil that is funny and naughty. Okay? So I want you all to open your books, and when I'm reading, you have to repeat after me to improve your pronunciations and reading skill. Right? Now, on the first page of this chapter, a warm-up exercise is given. On this, page number 34, okay? A warm-up exercise is given. In this warm-up exercise, what you have to do? Let's read. Saira's mother wants to go shopping. Saira's going to a few shops to write down the price of the things that her mother wants to buy. She reads the price tags, help her to fill in her price list. So this child named Saira is going to different shops to write down the prices of all the items, of all the products that her mother wants to buy. And what you have to do is the prices are written under the every object. You have to simply write the prices against the names, right? Like necklace is of 500 rupees, so write down 500 rupees here. This is something really easy that you can do. So what we will be doing in this class, we will read the chapter. Right? Now let's come to page number 35, and I'm going to read. You repeat after me. Mr. Kumar's pencil is very bold. Now there is a man whose name is Mr. Kumar, and he has a pencil, and the pencil is very bored. What is the meaning of bored? The meaning of bored is when you're feeling tired and unhappy because something is not interesting, right? If you are in the class and you're not feeling it, if you are in home, you are bored, you have nothing to do interesting, you feel tired, you do not feel excited, you are not happy. So that kind of emotion is called as bored, that I'm feeling really bored, right? Sometimes even you guys tell me, can we please study something else because this is really boring, we do this daily, can we do something new? So whenever you are doing something daily and there is nothing new to do, you feel bored. So Mr. Kumar, in this story, there is a man named Mr. Kumar, and he has a pencil. but his pencil is very bored. He is tired of writing Mr. Kumar's boring shopping list every day. Now, why the pencil is bored? Pencil is bored because pencil is tired of writing Mr. Kumar's shopping list every day. What does the pencil do every day? Pencil writes down the shopping list for Mr. Kumar daily. So he's feeling really bored, right? Because the pencil is doing the same thing daily. He wants to write stories, not shopping list. Now pencil wants to write something new, like stories, and he doesn't want to write shopping list anymore. I can write stories. I want to write stories, says the pencil. Right? Now what the pencil is saying? Pencil is saying, I want to write the stories and I can write the stories. But he's really bored because every day he does the same thing. He writes, what he writes? He writes the shopping list for Mr. Kumar. Mr. Kumar leaves the room. Okay, so now what they are saying, that one day Mr. Kumar leaves the room. Now the pencil gets the chance. The pencil gets up and makes something quick changes in the latest shopping list. So what the pencil did? Pencil, when Mr. Kumar left the room, pencil was all alone in the room. And because pencil is really funny and naughty, so what pencil decided to do? That I should do something. So pencil got up and made some quick changes in the latest shopping list. What is the meaning of quick? The meaning of quick is doing something in a short time or doing it fast. Okay, so pencil did everything fast, everything quickly. Okay, now let's look how did Mr. Kumar's new shopping list looked like. This is how the shopping list looks like. Okay, let's read on this part, on the same part that we are reading. The Magic Jam Biscuits decide to have a dance party. They wave their wands. Okay, what the funny pencil did? It decided to write something so funny that the Jam Biscuit decided to have their own dance party and they wave. This is the motion that we do, waving. They wave their wands. What is the meaning of wand? The meaning of wand is stick or rod, right? If you have watched the movie Harry Potter, they all had a magic wand and they used to shush it to do some magic. Okay, so that is a wand. And now the next is the packet of frozen peas jump up. The packet of frozen peas started to jumping. Up leap the carton of milk. Leap. What is the meaning of leap? Jump high. So the carton of milk also jumped really high. The cabbage and the cabbages were also jumping high. The 6 eggs also started to dance. The carrots and the packet of tea do the twist. So the vegetables, what the vegetables were doing, the vegetables and the packet of peas started to do the twist. What is the meaning of twist? To bend, to bending in different position. It means to twist. The tin of ghee spins around with the tin of rasgullas. Now the tin of ghee, what it was doing? It was spinning around with that tin of rasgullas. The meaning of spinning is to turn or to rotate. Okay, when you turn like this, it means spin. It can have many positions as well. So this is what the pencil did with the shopping list. Okay, it made it funny. Now in this video we have studied about many words and we have learned what the funny pencil did and what the funny pencil did with the boring shopping list. In our next video we will learn more about this chapter. Thank you.